Did you know that in the 1920s, hundreds of young women were slowly poisoned to death by their own employer? They were called the Radium Girls. These factory workers painted glow-in-the-dark watch faces with radioactive radium paint. Their bosses told them to lick their paintbrushes to make fine points. The company promised radium was completely safe. Workers even painted their nails and teeth with it for fun at parties. But within years, the horror began. Their jawbones crumbled like chalk. Teeth fell out in chunks. Some women's bones literally glowed in the dark from radiation. The company knew radium was deadly. They had known all along. While workers licked poisoned brushes, executives wore protective gear and hired fake doctors to cover up the deaths. When dying women tried to sue, the legal battles dragged on for years. Many died waiting for justice. Their bodies were so contaminated that they remained radioactive even after burial. The Radium Girls became victims of one of history's most calloused corporate cover-ups, sacrificed for profit in the name of progress.